Welcome to Biology Online class. I will be your teacher for today. So, my name is Nur Syamimi binti Said. You can call me Teacher Mimi. For today, we will focus on Theme 2, Chapter 13, which is Homeostasis. At the end of this class, you will be able to explain the meaning of homeostasis, justify the example of physical and chemical factors, differentiate between negative and positive feedback, and the last one, you will be able to understand the application of concept of homeostasis, which is thermoregulation. Here are some sweet reminders for you before we start our class. First, please make sure you sit in a comfortable place. Second, make sure you have a textbook, notebook, and pen with you. And the last one, feel free to contact me if you have any question regarding this topic. Okay, are you ready? First of all, let's imagine that you are walking on balance beam like this. What do you need to do to make sure that you do not fall? Yes, stability. You have to maintain your body stability. This situation same goes to the internal environment of our body system. All the systems work together to maintain stability. This stability can be done by the homeostasis mechanism. After that, in order for you to have a better understanding about these two feedback, I will show you the example of graphs on how negative and positive feedback work. As you can see, we have y-axis, x-axis and set point. Y-axis indicate the variables. This variable can be any changes that take place in our internal environment, such as the changes of body temperature, heart rate, and the concentration of glucose in our blood. For x-axis, it indicates time per minute. Negative feedback is a mechanism when variable is pushed back toward the set point. In this situation, for example, we use body temperature. If our body temperature increases, negative feedback will push back the variable to the set point. And if our body temperature is decreased, so negative feedback will push back the variable to the set point. This negative feedback will keep within range of the set point or can be said as optimum state. So, whatever changes of the variable that take place in our internal environment, the goal or the objective of negative feedback is to stabilize the system. Now, can you answer how does homeostasis take place? Yes, homeostasis is maintained by this negative feedback mechanism. On the other hand, positive feedback is a mechanism when the variable is pushed away from the set point. For example, if the variable is increased, positive feedback will push away the variable from the set point. The goal of the positive feedback is to destabilize the system. Hence, negative feedback is to stabilize the system, while positive feedback is to destabilize the system. You might wonder, what kind of body variable would need to be destabilized? No worries, we will discover this positive feedback on the next class. Have you ever wondered how our body can keep warm during excessive changes in ambient temperature? During cold days and hot days? Yes, our body can maintain its internal environment through negative feedback mechanism, homeostasis. This regulation of body temperature can call as thermoregulation. This is a process that allows your body to maintain its core internal temperature. You also can refer textbook page 247 for more information. After that, there are 4 components that take place in this process. First, stimulus. Stimulus is the changes of variables. It can be chemical factors or physical factors. After that, sensor. This sensor is to detect the changes. The third one is control center. There is a region in our brain that controls the thermoregulation process that is called hypothalamus. And the last one is effector. This is how our body responds. Can you imagine how the process is going on? If not yet, don't worry. Let's discuss more about this. Okay, based on the situation just now, when ambient temperature increases or during hot day, our stimulus will send a signal to sensor. After that, sensor detects changes in the body and our hypothalamus will secrete hormone to cause body to produce sweat. After that, effector. Our body responds by sweating. This sweat helps to reduce our body temperature. This is because heat releases out from the body and helps to reduce our internal body temperature. However, When ambient temperature decreases or during cold days, stimulus will send a signal to sensor. After that, sensor will detect the changes in the body. And then the control center, which is hypothalamus, will secrete hormone to cause our body to shiver. And the last one, our body will respond by shivering. This tightening and relaxing of muscle in rapid rate help to warm up our body. This will increase our internal temperature back to normal, and our internal environment will be maintained by homeostasis.
You no need to worry or think too much on how to make our internal environment in balanced state despite of constant changes in external environment. This is because homeostasis will take place automatically. Moreover, homeostasis is also known as self-regulating process to maintain stability. So, your body will do it for you.
I think that's all for today. You can ask me if you need further explanation. Okay everyone, please take care of yourself, stay safe and all the best.